Hey, what's up, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kelly and I go by the name Glamorous K. And in today's video, I'll be showing you all another what's inside my bag. This time, I'll be showing you all what's inside of my Victoria's Secret signature tote bag. I love this bag so much, and I have so many goodies and nice essentials in this bag that I cannot wait to share with you all. If this is something that you're into, if you're into pink and girly, please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and also do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you never miss a video from me. Do not forget to like and comment, and also at the end of this video I will be giving details to that Valentine's Day giveaway that we'll be having here on this channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. And let's get right into today's video. So here she is. This is the Victoria's Secret signature tote bag, and I love the color of this tote bag as well as the style. And as you can see in the front of this tote bag, I do have some purse attachments on here. Starting off with this little purse attachment, this is actually a keychain. Specifically, this is what the little keychain looks like. It's like a little perfume bottle, as well as it has Victoria's Secret's name on the back of it. How adorable is this? I love the sparkly pink and the gold, as well as that little jewel that it has on there. Now, moving right along to the opposite side of the bag, I do have my little Touchland hand sanitizer on here. And this is also in the scent Berry Bliss. And I have my little Touchland hand sanitizer holder that I picked up from Amazon in this super cute shade of pink. How adorable is that? I also have my Victoria's Secret wristlet on here. I love that. It says Victoria's Secret's name all over it. And I also have my little hair clip that's all blinged out that I picked up from Target. And I just keep that clipped on the strap in the front. I think that's a nice little accent to add to the bag. Now, when we get inside of the bag, this is what we're looking like. This bag is very, very spacious. I have some goodies up in there and some essentials as well. First up, inside of my bag, I have a little notebook that I picked up from Marshall's. This was around like $3.99, and it says "She is Strong," Proverbs 31:25. How adorable is that? It's in this super cute shade of pink, and it also has gold scripture on there. We also have a gold pen on the side of it, and it definitely has this little placeholder that you can put it down inside so that you do not lose it. And we also have a placeholder for the notebook in itself so that you do not lose your place. I also have this super cute hairbrush that I picked up from Shein. It's in the super cute shade of pink, and it's the perfect size to travel around with. And inside of here we have like everything that you need for your nails, and it looks like this. And it's in this super cute little Valentine's Day themed holder. Thought that was super cute. It has like pink hearts on there. I also have some Trident gum. I love to keep around with me like some breath mints or some type of gum whenever I'm on the go. So I just have this in the bubblegum flavor from the brand Trident. I also have the coconut oil lotion. It's hydrating body lotion from the brand VS Pink. I love, love, love this. I love to keep my hands hydrated when I'm on the go as well. So this fits perfectly inside of the tote. I have with me my little iWalk charger. This definitely helps keep all of my electronics well charged while I'm out and about, especially my cell phone, and it's super, super adorable in that cute shade of sparkly pink. I also have my cell phone with me, and I have it in this super cute Prada phone case. super cute shade of pink with the super cute jewels on there. Next up, I have a little Victoria's Secret pouch, and I love this. I actually bought this in a set of 3, and inside of here I have some goodies. It actually fits a lot in here. It looks small, but there's a lot going on. So in here I have my little Barbie tissues, and it looks like this. Super, super cute. I picked these up in a set from the Dollar Tree. I have with me some little My Doll packages. I also have some Perel hand wipes. I also have some panty liners. I also have some pink bandages, and I found these at the Dollar Tree. It was actually inside of a little first aid kit with different color bandages, and I just thought that the pink was super, super cute. I also have with me some Chick-fil-A mints, and on here it's super, super cute. It has this little slogan that says "meant to be." I also have some cough drops. I also have a pen, and this is super, super cute. I bought this from the Dollar Tree. That super cute shade of pink, and it's also very, very comfortable to write with. It has like the little cushion on there. I also have this super cute highlighter in the shade of pink. It's from the brand Jot that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. I bought this in a set. It came with other colors, and I just pulled the little pink one out of there. I also have this pink stylus pen that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well. This works very well for my cell phone as well as my iPad, and it looks like this. Super cute shade of pink as well. And that does it for what's inside of the little pouch that I have here. And I also have another pouch from the little set of 3 that I picked up from Victoria's Secret, and that one looks like this. Once again, very, very spacious. We have a lot of room in here to hold some essentials. I have my little pill case in here. It's super blinged out, super cute, and this is from Shein. I have my little lip balm that just matches the theme so well for Victoria's Secret. I picked this up from Dollar Tree, and it's not a shade or anything. It goes on clear. How adorable is the packaging? I love that. I also have my little Hello Kitty mirror. I love taking around mirrors with me, and in this mirror, when you open it up, it does turn on. And it looks like that. It has like the little bow up there. How adorable is that? And you just turn it on right there. I have my Sugar High Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Super, super cute shade right there. I have my XO Victoria from Victoria's Secret Rollerball. I picked this up a little bit ago, so I don't think you guys can get your hands on this any longer, but super cute, and I love throwing it inside of my bags. I also have my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from the brand Benefit that I picked up from Ulta. I love keeping some type of little eyebrow pencil on me because you never know when you have to touch up your brows. I have my little flashlight with me from the Dollar Tree. This is in the shade Light Pink, and I just love that. I think it's super, super cute. I think it's super, super adorable. You can take this with you anywhere, and it definitely helps with finding things inside of your bag. So you just click it on like this, and then you could just shine it in your bag to find whatever you need. And last but not least, inside of my little pouch here, I do have with me my little contact holder. I do wear contacts, so it's always good to keep with me a contact case, as well as it's good to have my little contact solution. So I think this was so, so nice to have. I picked this up from Shein, and as you can see, it has that super cute pink as well as the little strawberry on there. How adorable is that? I have with me my Victoria's Secret wallet, which matches the bag so perfectly to me, so I just wanted to pair these two together. And I also have the little matching card holder that goes with the bag as well as the wallet. So I love that. Inside of the wallet, I just have with me some money in there as well as my cards. There isn't a place to hold any change or anything like that. And in here, you just have the little section where it does hold your change. And then I just have cards in the front as well as the back. And I love, love, love this because you can actually attach this to the front of your bag if you would like as well. Last but not least, I do have with me an umbrella, and I am so obsessed with this umbrella because it definitely is themed with Victoria's Secret stripes to match the bag. How adorable is this? And this is the little covering for the umbrella, but the umbrella actually looks like this, and it's so small, it's like convenient. So here's a closer look inside of this bag. This bag is very, very spacious. It fits a lot of things in here. As you can see, we have this back pocket here with a zipper pull where you can keep some more things tucked away in there. I opted not to keep anything in there this time, but if I were to put anything in there, I think it would be like panty liners, something of that nature. But how adorable is this bag and how spacious is it? I am obsessed. So here's everything that was inside of my bag. And I decided to pair it with this super cute pink Stanley cup. I thought it matched the theme so perfectly. So now on to the exciting news for the Valentine's Day giveaway. There will be one lucky subscriber that will win this giveaway, and the giveaway will include 2 cute Hello Kitty items. Number 1 will be this super cute Hello Kitty water bottle that looks like this, as well as the Creme Shop times Hello Kitty makeup bag. Super, super adorable. And I always keep the rules to the giveaway super, super easy for you all. There'll just be 3 rules to win this giveaway. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, just comment down below that you are entering the giveaway. And number 3, thumbs up this video. So number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, comment down below that you're entering the giveaway. And number 3, thumbs up this video. And then I will be announcing the winner in my next video. Please do be aware of scammers. I will not contact you all anywhere outside of YouTube. So super, super exciting news for that giveaway. Good luck to everyone who enters. And I also want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please do thumbs up this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And also like and comment down below. And I will see you all in my next video.